Hi, bro. Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me for the opportunity and giving me the opportunity to join your agency. Yeah, I'm so excited to share my experience about my journey so far in bubble development. Okay, so yeah, um, a little bit on myself. I've been a bubble developer for over 2 years now, and I've worked on vast varieties of challenging projects in numerous industries, right? And I help B2Cs, B2B, and startups build SaaS products, MVPs, and internal tools for their organizations and business systems. Yeah, so aside my technical skills, I'm always, my communication skills, I always like work on my communication skills, and I'm very, very good at communication. I know, communication is like the main value, one of the soft skills you need to have as a freelancer and, a business person. Yeah, aside communication, I, I, I like working in team, developing my leadership capacity, and make sure everybody in my team, we are sharing the same vision, right? Yeah, so recently I just completed a project. I just built a SaaS product, 𝒃𝒃, right? You could check it out, 𝒃𝒃.co. Yeah, it's a SaaS product for content creators and influencers, for the entertainment industry. Yeah, so thank you so much for give taking your time to like listen to me, and I'm so excited to contribute to the vision of your company, a scaling process. Thank you so much, Gabriel, and for this opportunity. Yeah, bye bye.